So this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Dorval, and here's something you don't see every day on a via train. Here you have a 42, and then you have two, kind of in a power move here, F40PH-2s, and these are just being moved. They're just attached to the end of the train here, so there's no reason for that other than to move the power. Looks like there might be something interesting over there too. I don't know. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'll just walk out the platform here, see what I can see. So here's the station. And I'll just go behind here. And there's the locomotives. One's got a wrap, one doesn't, I don't think. Hard to tell from here. Kind of not on the right side for this. Anyways, hopefully soon this train will leave. Just doing its station stop. Alright, here it goes. Okay. It's leaving now. So you'll see. Here's the P42. And here's the first F40. It's not a wrap. My mistake. And here's the second. And that's Dorval station right there. That just did its station stop. It's heading towards Montreal. So thanks for watching. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.